These days, searching online for the right tools can be, well, a little overwhelming. With advances in machine capability and tooling technology becoming more and more sophisticated, it takes a lot of time and brainpower to choose what tooling and cutting strategies are necessary to produce the best part. Through a recently formed exclusive partnership between MSC Industrial Supply and Machiningcloud, managing your tools and their assemblies is easier. You know MSC as a leader in the distribution of metalworking and MRO products and services, a name you've come to trust and rely on. So it only makes sense that we found the very best digital data partner to help put all your manufacturing and machining pieces of the puzzle together. That partner is Machiningcloud.
MSC and Machiningcloud really make a fantastic partnership. If we talk about Machiningcloud first, let's face it, they have some of the best data sets for early stage engineering, product quoting, product design, and strategizing. Combine that with MSC's strengths of having all of these brands, having most of these SKUs in stock and available and ready to ship, and that really makes for a clean and secure supply chain for our customers.
So here's how it works. Set up your Machiningcloud account just by visiting www.machiningcloud.com. Once you've signed up, you'll get instant access to dozens of manufacturing brands through a single, easy-to-use product selection platform. Through the platform, you can browse catalogs for tools, including their geometry and their dimensions, access 3D models of the products, create multi-brand assemblies, and, yes, add the items to a shopping cart for quick and easy purchase from MSC. All of this through an easily accessible online platform that not only gives you real-time, one-stop access to the industry's biggest brands, but also assists you in putting together the entire assembly, cutting down on your search time by identifying the precise tools you need. When you're done, you can choose to export assemblies to your CAM system, providing seamless integration into your workflow. That's right, we said seamless. Just click on what you need, and we'll do the heavy lifting when it comes to integrating the specifics of the parts that you require for your application. The MSC Machiningcloud partnership significantly boosts productivity, efficiency, and accountability by streamlining your overall planning and production process. For more information on the Machiningcloud application and how it can help take your business to the next level, talk to your MSC sales representative or any of our metalworking professionals today.